Okay, folks, here we go. Breaker. Hello, good evening. Hope y'all having a good one up there in the radio world. This is 2 by 8 base station. I'm covering up the builder. We're not going to get into that, what is that, bashing fest or whatever. I ain't telling the builder, I ain't telling the owner. If the owner wants to tell the builder or whatever, he can. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about this amp. This was 2 driving 8, 22879 Toshiba's driving 8. First off, the worst thing about it, the pill screws are all stripped out, which I wasn't bolted down good, and I've just used whatever screws I could find to tighten up. I put all new screws where I could. Ones that are stripped, I played around 100 screws till I found ones that tighten up. The pills have to be tight, or they can't dissipate heat correctly, and it'll cause trouble. Alright, I moved the 2 drivers back here. Matched the pills up in pairs the best I could. Put all 8 pills right here. And bolt them down tight, reheat sink compound them, put 2 new XGs in the drivers. Put all new 10 ohms. That was another problem with the amp. The amp had half watt 10 ohms in it instead of 1/4 watt. And they work, but what the problem is if you blow a pill and you got half watt 10 ohms in there, a lot of times the 10 ohm won't blow. And when the 10 ohm don't blow, you don't smell nothing, and you keep talking. And when you keep talking with the blown pill, then you blow another pill. And you keep talking with that blown pill, and you blow another pill. So that's why you want to use 1/4 10 ohms, because the 1/4s will blow fast, and the operator will smell something, and he'll know right then he's got to unkey. I put 100 ohm 5 watts in here on the outputs. And I did the 5 watts. I wasn't even sure they matched because different pills, so you can see where I marked the pills when I tested them. But they do. They balanced out within 5 watts of each other, so that's good. And okay, I glued your output tuning down and put new 100 ohm 5 watt on it. This is all floating around. You can't have that. The reason why is because when you ship that, if any of this moves any way at all, it throws all the tuning out. Another big problem you had, see this tuner right here? I put a lug on it and bolted the back wall. It was flopping around. And these were not glued down so they could move just a little bit in shipping. So if they move just a little bit in shipping, there goes their amp out of tune. Amp out of tune, blow pills. Same thing the input tuner, glued it down. Same deal. I took and glued down the input where it was flopping around in the amp. And like I said, I'm not trying to bash nobody. I'm just trying to explain what all I did to fix this. Maybe whoever's working on it to help. Just like these pill screws. My guess is somebody was either drilled them bad when they drilled and tapped them, or was hammering them with the drill. You know, tightening them up and stripping them out. You can't do that, folks. You gotta be tight. The driver pills, of course, you know they had some bolts stripped too, same thing. But we got them all tight, bolted down. If anybody ever works on this amp, make sure you mark where the screws come out and be easy with them. That way they'll tighten back up if you ever have to put anything in it, if anybody ever works on it besides me. Now, this is a hot amp. It'd get with the program. Let me tell you why. Well, some of it's I think these are type 43, which I don't use them. They'll do a little more wattage on input. And of course the bigger transformers do a little more wattage. The 5H do. Then you're also looking at these iron core transformers. This thing is volted. It's out on about 22. It's out on about 22, keying up about 18. So what you need to do is make sure you have a good SWR, keep your dead key low, and take it easy on this thing, because I mean it's volted up there, it's hot, and it's mean, but it's also harder on pills. And you know, these pills being used, I can't promise you warranty nothing. I tested them, matched them in pairs the best I could, and it works. Alright, do a little video of what it's doing here. Got the amp cut off. Turn on my old Galaxy 88, old trustworthy. Straight through reflect. Well, straight through average. See what's driving. Here's what we're gonna drive it with. Whirl up. Oh. And turn him off. Alright, he's off. Straight through. Whirl up, whirl up, whirl up, whirl up. As you see. Straight through SWR. Whirl up, whirl up, whirl up. Alright, we're gonna turn him on. Reflect. SWR. Oh, I'm gonna turn it backwards. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. We got about 2.5 watts back. Turn off my radio over here. 1,000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. Worldwide, worldwide. About 800. 2,500 watt slug. Go with the PP. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. It's hot. 2,400. Bigger, bigger, bigger. Worldwide. Input team 1, 2. Output reflex. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Check something. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Okay, now let me show you something about this box. It's got 2 voltage taps. Down is low voltage, okay? That's where you need to run it. Be easier on pills. 2,500 watt slug. Worldwide, 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 about 18 worldwide, worldwide, okay? High voltage taps up, okay? That's for maximum power. Worldwide, 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 2,400. Go down, go down. That's the difference between volting. Right there's volted. Worldwide, 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 there's unvolted. Let's see what the low tap does. Just out of curiosity. This will make a long video, but I want to check it and see if I got enough hands. Okay, on the low tap, which I didn't pay no attention to that until just now. Oh yeah, I wire tied everything up in here too. You can zip ties are your friend. Low tap. 17.21. High tap, 22.65. They drop some when you key, of course. That's the difference is why it's doing more wattage than, you know, most of my amps that I build, they run 15 volts. And I do that for pills, etc., and keep them clean. There you go, bud. I'm gonna put the 10 back on this thing, and we'll get the fans back rolling and check everything one more time, and see if we can get this thing packed up and ship it better where it don't cost you so much. And I'll send you a message on the bill. Like I said, I'm keeping your name private and amp builder private because you didn't tell me to give it out and didn't give me permission. Output reflex, worldwide, worldwide. That's on high tap. 1,000 watt, that is worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. 2,500 PP. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Got down in the world of sound. But there you go, man. She's up and working, and hope she works out for you. Take care of her, run her easy. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Catch me later.